beginning of the pipe work. You need to travel towards it. Then there'll be a connection here. If you go like this, to come like that, there's another connection coming here. To come this way. Come here. So within this space is where you're going to have this septic tank. So I'm going to continue to come here, come this way. Then there's one point here. There's another point here. Another point here. To come towards this way. There's a point here. There's a point here. Okay. So to come towards this direction. There's one point here for this guest workers toilet. There's a point here. There's also a point here. There's also a point here. Okay, so they have started excavating the septic tank. So there's one point here. One point here. There's another point. Morning. I know. There's another point at 1, 2, 3. So 3 points are there. The right side of from the right side of the building, you have one here. What happened? We look at it from there. There's one point here. Let's see. Come towards this direction. Come on, get out from there. Come towards this direction. Then there is one point here. Alright. So to come towards this direction, to come here, to come here, then this is one direction, this is one direction, here is another direction, there's one, alright, here is another one at this point, so you can see it yourself, right? Then there is another one there. There's another one at that point, but I can't really go inside that place to see how it looks. Okay, so that's how it is.